In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a subscriber list to a buyer list in Mailerlite. We'll walk through this in the new Mailerlite interface step by step, so even if you're just getting started, you can follow along easily. The goal here is to take people from your general subscriber list and mark them as buyers by adding them to a specific buyer group. This is really useful for sending targeted emails and automations only to people who have purchased something from you. First, log into your Mailerlite account and look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. In that left sidebar, find and click on Subscribers. This is where all of your contacts live. Once that page loads, you'll see a list of everyone who's subscribed to your emails. Next, you want to choose exactly who you're going to move into your buyer list. To do this, look at the checkboxes on the left side of each subscriber's name. Click the checkboxes next to the subscribers you want to move. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the right people, especially if you're working from a filtered view, like people who have just completed a purchase or a specific segment you've already created. After you've selected your subscribers, look for the Actions drop-down menu, usually found near the top of the list. Go ahead and click on Actions. This menu lets you perform bulk updates on the subscribers you've checked, which is exactly what we want. From that Actions dropdown, select the option that says Add to Group. In Mailerlite, groups are how you organize people based on behavior or tags, such as buyers, leads, or members. When you click Add to Group, a list of your existing groups will appear. Now, from that list, choose your buyer group. This might be named something like buyers, customers, or anything you've set up to represent people who have purchased from you. Once you've selected the correct buyer group, click Add to confirm. Mailerlite will now add all of the subscribers you selected into that buyer group. They'll still remain in your general list, but they'll also be tagged as buyers through that group, which allows you to send targeted campaigns, set up buyer-specific automations, and keep your marketing organized and effective.